Thai Tour welcome everyone to Namuang Waterfall too. It is a famous waterfall in Got Samui district. The cliff formed from a large mountain in the center of the island. Fall from a cliff 30 until 40 meters high and 20 meters wide. As present, the forestry department has established Namuang Waterfall Forest Park. It has an area of approximately 10 rides. His Majesty King Chulalongkorn and His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej has visited this waterfall before. You can take it a large fountain of water that you see, but be careful of the rock in the pattern because it can be dangerous. The waterfall area has a shady atmosphere due to the large tree covering it and fresh fruit collected from villager gardens. In the middle of the rainy season, there will be more water and it is more beautiful than other periods. Now to Namuang Waterfall, Namuang Waterfall 1 and Namuang Waterfall 2. But there is like to go to Namuang Waterfall 1 because it is convenient to travel. There is a paved road to the waterfall. And there is also an elephant riding service in the forest for interest tourists. There is a restaurant in the parking area, souvenir shop, and chairs to sit and relax. If you like convenience, I recommend Namuang 1, but if you like adventure, I recommend Namuang 2.